Did you know your kidneys work 24/7 to filter waste and toxins from your body? In fact, these two fist-sized organs filter about 200 liters of blood each day, removing roughly 2 liters of waste in the process. But poor diet and lifestyle choices can overwork your kidneys and put them at risk of damage. Chronic kidney disease, CKD, is on the rise. It now affects an estimated 37 million Americans, 1 in 7 adults, and 9 out of 10 people with CKD don't even realize they have it. If your kidneys can't keep up, toxins build up in your blood, which can lead to fatigue, swelling, or even life-threatening issues requiring dialysis. Scary, right? The good news is you can take action now to protect and cleanse your kidneys naturally. In this video, we'll reveal 3 powerhouse fruits that help detoxify your kidneys and support your urinary tract health. Incorporating these fruits every morning could be a game changer for your kidney health. Stay tuned to learn how to naturally cleanse your kidneys and avoid dialysis. First, let's quickly cover why your kidneys are so important. Your kidneys are like the body's maintenance crew, performing vital functions every moment. They filter out waste and excess water from your blood, balance electrolytes and fluids, and even produce hormones that regulate blood pressure and stimulate red blood cell production. They also activate vitamin D for healthy bones. In short, your kidneys are unsung heroes keeping you healthy every day. However, modern lifestyles can put kidneys in danger. The 2 leading causes of kidney disease are high blood pressure and diabetes, which damage the kidney's delicate blood vessels and filtering units over time. Other risk factors include obesity, smoking, certain medications, and family history. CKD is often called a silent disease. You might not notice any symptoms until most of your kidney function is gone. By then, waste products can build up to dangerous levels. This is why prevention and detoxification are so important. Your kidneys naturally detox your body, but they need support. Keeping them healthy can slow or prevent CKD progression. Simple habits, especially a kidney-friendly diet, can lighten the load on your kidneys. In fact, flushing out toxins and waste can improve kidney function and even reduce the risk of infections or kidney stones. Rather than extreme cleanses, we're talking about natural detoxification, giving your kidneys the nutrients and hydration they need to work at their best. That's where our 3 fruits come in. Each of these is packed with compounds that help cleanse the kidneys and keep them performing optimally. Fruit number 1, cranberries, the kidney's little red defender. Cranberries have been used for centuries as a remedy for bladder and kidney problems, and modern science explains why. These tangy berries are most famous for preventing urinary tract infections, UTIs, which is great news for your kidneys. How? Cranberries contain special antioxidants called proanthocyanins, PACs, that stop bacteria, like E. coli, from sticking to the walls of your urinary tract. In other words, they create a slippery environment for germs, keeping infections at bay. Fewer UTIs mean less risk that an infection will travel up to your kidneys and cause serious damage. But that's not all cranberries do. They may also help prevent kidney stones. Cranberry juice has been shown to flush out excess calcium oxalate, a common component of kidney stone, from the body. By reducing the buildup of this mineral, cranberries could lower the risk of certain types of stones forming in your kidneys. On top of fighting infections and stones, cranberries are nutrient powerhouses. They're high in vitamin C and other antioxidants that help reduce inflammation and protect your kidney cells from oxidative damage. Think of antioxidants as rust fighters for your body. They neutralize rusting agents, free radicals, so your organs stay healthy. With cranberries, you're giving your kidneys a dose of anti-inflammatory, antioxidant goodness. So how can you incorporate cranberries each morning? It's easy. Toss a handful of fresh or frozen cranberries into your breakfast smoothie, or mix a splash of unsweetened cranberry juice into your morning juice blend. You can even add dried cranberries to oatmeal or yogurt. Just opt for low-sugar versions. The tartness might wake up your taste buds, but remember, that tart power is what makes them so effective for your urinary tract. Fruit number 2, watermelon, the ultimate hydrator for your kidneys. When it comes to cleansing your kidneys, hydration is key, and watermelon is about 92% water by weight. Eating watermelon is almost like drinking a glass of water, but even better. It's water plus vitamins and antioxidants. Every juicy bite floods your system with fluid, helping your kidneys flush out toxins and waste through urine. Watermelon isn't just hydrating, it's also a natural diuretic, meaning it gently makes you urinate more often. This is a good thing for kidney detox. By increasing urine production, watermelon helps sweep out salt and toxins that might otherwise linger in your kidneys. You're essentially giving your kidneys a power wash each time you enjoy this fruit. Keeping urine flowing also dilutes minerals, so they're less likely to form kidney stones. In fact, research backs up watermelon's kidney benefits. One study found that watermelon extract significantly reduced the formation of kidney stones in animals by increasing urine volume and restoring healthy mineral balance. And traditionally, watermelon has been used as a home remedy for kidney cleansing. Now science is catching up and confirming those diuretic and stone-preventing effects. Fewer stones and cleaner kidneys? Yes, please. Watermelon is also packed with nutrients that your kidneys love. It's rich in lycopene, the antioxidant that gives watermelon its red color. Lycopene helps combat oxidative stress and may protect kidney tissue from inflammation and damage. Watermelon also provides potassium, which helps the body maintain healthy blood pressure and can regulate urine acidity to further discourage stone formation. Note: if you already have advanced kidney disease and need to limit potassium, check with your doctor. Otherwise, for most people, the potassium in fruits like watermelon is beneficial. Enjoying watermelon for breakfast is a treat. You can have a bowl of fresh watermelon slices first thing in the morning. Blend it into a refreshing watermelon smoothie. Try adding mint or a squeeze of lime for flavor, or even freeze watermelon cubes for a healthy slushie. It's especially great on hot days. You'll rehydrate your whole body and give your kidneys a gentle cleanse to start the day. Fruit number 3, lemons, the zesty kidney cleanser. They might be sour, but lemons have some sweet benefits for your kidneys. The star compound in lemon is citric acid, and it's a kidney stone's worst enemy. Citric acid is converted to citrate in your body, and citrate helps prevent kidney stones by stopping minerals from crystallizing together. Essentially, citrate binds with excess calcium in your urine, blocking the formation of those painful calcium-based stones. If you're prone to kidney stones, this is huge. It's like putting a no-entry sign on stone formation. Doctors often recommend lemon water as a natural therapy to prevent recurrent stones. In fact, drinking the juice of just 2-3 lemons diluted in water per day can raise your urine citrate enough to help prevent stones from forming. Some studies even suggest that regular lemon juice consumption can reduce stone recurrence rates significantly. It's like a natural, at-home version of the citrate supplements doctors prescribe without the pills. Lemons also support kidney detox in other ways. They act as a mild diuretic, meaning that a warm glass of lemon water in the morning can increase your urine output and help flush out waste and toxins from your system. Many people swear by starting the day with lemon water to kickstart digestion and cleansing. Plus, lemons are high in vitamin C, an antioxidant that boosts your immune system and may protect your kidneys from inflammation. So, you get hydration, detox, and immune support all in one. Adding lemon to your morning routine is simple. Try this. Squeeze the juice of half a lemon into a glass of warm water and drink it first thing when you wake up. You can add a bit of honey or ginger for taste if you like. This refreshing drink will hydrate you and bathe your kidneys in citrate-rich fluid. You can also use fresh lemon juice in your smoothies or tea, or drizzle it over fruit salad. Even using lemon as a salad dressing base can give you a daily dose. Consistency is key. Make lemon a habit, and your kidneys will reap the benefits over time. In summary, the top 3 kidney detox fruits you should consider eating every morning are cranberries, watermelon, and lemons. Let's recap their superpowers. Cranberries protect against UTIs and inflammation, keeping those kidneys infection-free and happy. Watermelon hydrates and flushes your kidneys, reducing toxin buildup and stone risk. Lemon pumps up your urine citrate levels to prevent kidney stones and aids in flushing out waste. Incorporating these fruits into your diet is a natural way to cleanse your kidneys and support their function. They're not magic cure-alls, but over time, these healthy habits can make a big difference in combating CKD and maintaining optimal kidney health. Your kidneys work hard for you. Treating them to these fruits is an easy way to work hard for your kidneys. We encourage you to add these fruits to your morning routine. For example, start tomorrow with a lemon water, have a cup of watermelon, or a cranberry smoothie bowl. Get creative and make it enjoyable. Your kidneys will thank you. And of course, don't forget overall healthy habits. Drink plenty of water throughout the day, maintain a balanced diet, and get regular checkups, especially if you have risk factors for kidney disease. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more health tips. Share this video with friends and family to spread the knowledge about natural ways to boost kidney health. Together, let's keep our kidneys healthy and avoid dialysis down the road. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.